I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're doing a technique exercise that I would say is intermediate with like little hints of advanced toward the end. What I love this for is as an across the floor. Anything where you have like FLAPS and then something and then more FLAPS and then something is perfect for across the floor, because two things. Number one, it gets you moving across the floor because FLAPS naturally move. And two, I love practicing like forward momentum and then stop. And then forward momentum and then stop, because that is such a challenge in weight distribution. And then being able to stop your momentum and still be stable is really difficult sometimes. So it's a great thing to practice. So that's what we're doing today. And let's go ahead and get started. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do the thing. All right, so like I said, 4 FLAPS and then a thing. That's the bread and butter of what we're doing today. 4 FLAPS, a thing. 4 more FLAPS, a thing. 4 more FLAPS, another thing. And 4 more FLAPS, another thing. So there's 4 parts. Each part starts with 4 FLAPS. So you want to make sure that those FLAPS are up on the balls of your feet. You've got your knees bent and they are evenly distributed between both hips. So just a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. And then if you are doing this, or if you're going to bring this to your class and teach it, you can pick any song you want. You can swing it, you can not swing it. It is completely up to what you want and what you think your students need to be working on or what you need to be working on. So 4 FLAPS. Then the first part is 2 buffaloes. So just step, shuffle, cross, step, shuffle, cross. So you're moving with these 4 FLAPS, and then you stop moving so you can do the buffaloes. The buffaloes should not travel. That's the challenge. I love it. I absolutely love it. So 4 FLAPS, 2 buffaloes. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Okay. Next part. 4 FLAPS. Also, the birds are singing outside. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's like, it sounds like a beautiful spring day. Like Disney style. So 4 FLAPS, and then we're gonna do a double buffalo, or we're gonna start the buffalo with a FLAP instead of a step. So you have the 4 FLAPS, and then FLAP shuffle cross, FLAP shuffle cross. So you're just gonna take that foot and shoot right down into the floor with a FLAP. So there's your 5th FLAP, and then shuffle cross. So 4 FLAPS, 2 double buffaloes. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Okay, let's try part 1 and part 2 together. So the first time is regular buffaloes. Second time is double. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. Okay. Awesome. Let's take that part, the parts 1 and 2, put it aside for a second. Now part 3. It starts with 4 FLAPS, so we already have that part. Then it's not a buffalo, and it's not a maxi forward. Take those and put them out of your head. This is a shuffle jump toe. So you have a FLAP, or 4 FLAPS. Now your right foot's free. You're gonna shuffle, jump onto it, and then tap your toe. And then other side, without me falling against the wall. Shuffle, jump toe, shuffle, jump toe. I say it's not a maxi forward, because a maxi forward begins with a step. And we are not doing that. It's not step shuffle. You're actually going to be starting with a shuffle on your free leg. So don't think of it as a maxi forward. So after those 4 FLAPS, you're going to be jumping over to the right foot after a shuffle, and then to your left foot. Shuffle, jump toe, shuffle, jump toe. So let's try that. 4 flaps, 2 shuffle jump toes. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Now, the fourth part starts with 4 flaps, you know, like it does. So 4 flaps, and then shuffle pick up toe, or shuffle grab off toe, whichever name you have for it. Now, it could also be called a pull. It could be called I think just a grab instead of a grab off. There's so many names for it. If you don't want to do the pickup or the grab off, that's okay. Just repeat shuffle jump toe, or you can replace the shuffle with a riffle. You can give it like a different form of one up. So the form we're gonna do today is shuffle pickup toe, or shuffle grab off toe, So that's what we're doing. But if you wanna make it a little extra, without the grab off, instead of a shuffle, do a riffle. So just do that brush, scuff brush. Add a little scuff into your shuffle. Anything you want to do to like just add an extra sound, but you don't want to do the grab off, go for it. That's always an option, because I know grab offs, not everybody's quite there yet, or maybe it hurts some people's knees. That's okay. So for the purpose of the video, we're doing the grab off, but I wanted to give you some more options. Awesome. Okay, so you have 4 flaps. Then you have shuffle, grab off toe, shuffle, grab off toe. Try to keep the sounds nice and even. So let's try that, and then we'll try it from the regular shuffle jump toe. So just the one with the pickups real quick. 4 flaps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Okay, so let's do it from the regular shuffle jump toe into the shuffle grab off toe. Awesome. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you really want to make sure that you make a distinction between the two. Okay, let's try all 4 parts together, and then we'll do it with some music. So, first part, buffaloes. Second part, double buffaloes. Third part, shuffle jump toe. Fourth part, shuffle grab off toe, or pick up toe. Cool? 4 flaps before every single one of them. We can do this. All right, ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Buffalo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle jump up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how it goes. It works just as well starting on the left. I didn't see a need to try it because it goes both ways, like it's exactly the same. It goes exactly both ways for everything. Oh, I guess it doesn't. I just realized it doesn't. Wait, the buffaloes were only on the right. Hold on, we need to do this. Okay, we're gonna do it on the left. It's okay, it'll be fine. We're gonna do it on the left. Ready? Yeah, okay. Buffaloes were only on the right. I didn't even think about that. Okay, anyway, try it. 5, 6, left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. I can't believe I didn't put 2 and 2 together. That's crazy. All right, you guys ready? Let's try it on the right, and then we'll try it on the left with music. So here's your tempo. Flap, 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 flap. Buffalo step, buffalo step. So it's a little picked up, but we got this. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try left side. Awesome. All right, let's give it a shot on the left from the top with music. Keep that tempo in your head. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Balance there for a second, but it's all right. It's all good. We made it. We made it through. Hopefully this exercise was a lot of fun for you to learn, and if you're a teacher and you're bringing it to your classes, I hope that your students have so much fun with it. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We have tons of technique exercises just like this, choreography tutorials where you get to learn a dance, and then step tutorials where you just focus on one step the whole time, vlogs, challenges, and more, and it's all free for you right here on this channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, please hit the thumbs up, because it doesn't just help this channel, it helps all tap dance channels, because it tells YouTube that people like tap dance. And I think right now YouTube doesn't know that people like tap dance, because it's not pushing out tap dance shorts as much as other things. So anytime you see a tap dance short, put a thumbs up on it. Please thumbs up my videos, because it lets people know that there's free tap class to be had. So thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.